Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable flash notifications on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings, and then in the settings we want to scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to advanced settings, and over here we have flash notification options. Here we can enable camera flash notification, and we can also tap on the name of the option in order to choose which apps should trigger the camera flash notification. And we also have the screen flash notification, where one more time we can select if it should be for all apps or only for selected apps over here. We can also tap on the color on the right side in order to choose the screen flash color. So let's say I'm gonna choose purple. We can also press preview in order to see how it looks like. And then you can press done. You can also press the preview button over here in order to see how the flash notification works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.